Escape to a heaven in this stunning new home, nestled on over 17 acres of serene countryside in West Virginia. This move-in ready 3-bed, 3-bath home boasts an open floor plan perfect for entertaining and outdoor adventures. A delightful attached in-law suite offers a private entrance, wood floors, granite countertops, and a fully equipped kitchen, complete with electric stove, refrigerator, washer, and dryer. Enjoy the peaceful country setting surrounded by nature's beauty and make this incredible property your own personal heaven where you can unwind and create lasting memories. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.